Okay, once you've logged into Canva, either using your Riverside or your personal email address, you need to create a design. So there's a lot of templates you can use, okay? Heaps and heaps of templates. Now you can choose an infographic here or poster or anything you'd like. So for example, I'm just gonna click this infographic here. Now, you need to change the information and possibly the photos on a template, on the template you've chosen. So if you just click the image and push delete, you can change that image, or you can change the text. Okay, you can change the text here. I'll just make it a little bit bigger to something that relates to kitchen safety. Okay, now it's important to remember on the left, when you want to add some photos, that you're only choosing photos that say free on the bottom right. Anything with a crown or that possibly has a money symbol, you'll have to pay for. So please only choose options that say free. So for example, I'd like to use this photo here. So I'm just going to click that, drag it into my infographic or my poster. Here I can resize it, drag it around, put it where I want. Okay, say for example, your poster is complete. What you need to do is you need to click download here. I'm just going to click download. Download as a PDF. Now you might see a price come up, so $3. Now this is because you've used images that are not free. So even if you haven't attached any images, the template you used may have images on them that you do need to pay for. So what I'm going to do is push X on that. Okay, cancel that. We do not want to pay for anything. So I'm just going to go back to my template. Okay, and click a template that's free. So I'm just going to go home. Okay, a moment. Okay, now we're back at home. Just going to find a infographic that's free. For example, this one here. Now, this is a poster I've made previously, so I know all the images here are for free. So what I'm going to do is click download, PDF, download as a PDF, download. Now, what we need to do now is we need to upload this file onto our Google Drive. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Google Drive, which is this here. Now, Google Drive is where all your files will save from Google Classroom or if you've uploaded anything. What we need to do is click New, File Upload, and that'll go into our download. Now I'm going to click the file I just made on Canva. So I'm going to upload my file. As you can see, upload is completed. Now, this is where you need to paste a link into your learning log. So this is the poster. I'm going to right click it. Now you'll see it says Get Shareable Link. Click that. Now it's important that the toggle on the top right is switched to green. This is so I can see it, I can mark it. So right click, Get Shareable Link, make sure the toggle's on green, and here's the link here. So just copy that, so Control C or Command C. Now go to your own learning log, okay? So this is your learning log here, your Farm to Fork learning log. Scroll down. As you can see, it says, insert your safe cooking infographic / poster shareable link here. So that's where I'm going to post it. So get rid of that. Push Control V or Command V. And there is a link to my poster on my Google Drive. Now, this is how I can mark it. I can view it. I can see it. But I can only view it if you push the green toggle on the top right. Okay? This one here. Make sure that's green.